In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without ads. Now, before we get into that, let's talk about the cons of trying to make money on YouTube using YouTube ads. The short answer is that making money on YouTube by relying on advertising can get pretty expensive, especially if you're just starting out and if you're on a budget. Now, if you want to try to monetize using YouTube's partner program, which is basically by the number of views your video gets, the problem is that it's not that easy, and it's not easy to qualify because YouTube now requires that you have 4,000 uh, watch hours and at least a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, and that's easier said than done. And making videos on YouTube, as you know, can be pretty lucrative, but you have to really know how to do it. There is a bit of a skill and an art to it. Many people falsely believe that if they just make videos and allow ads to appear on their videos, that the cash will automatically just begin to flow in. And unfortunately, it's never that easy, right? In fact, a rough estimate about how much you can make with YouTube views is about $1 for every 1,000 views that you get. So basically that means you need a ton of subscribers to make any decent kind of money with YouTube ads. But luckily, there are some better ways that you can make money on YouTube without ads and without having to have 1 billion subscribers. So how can you do that? How can you make a sustainable income by creating videos on YouTube? Well, the number one way is by doing something called what is known as affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard of it. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is basically just marketing in which you sell other people's products. You don't have to create your own product, and you basically drive traffic to your videos, and for everybody who clicks on your special link, you get a commission, and you basically get a special URL from that product's creator, and it's part of their affiliate program. Now, many companies have affiliate programs, but one of the probably the most famous one, or the most popular rather, and easy, is Amazon's Associates program, which is their affiliate program. Now, Amazon this has its pros and cons as well. So Amazon is good because everybody's heard of Amazon, right? So they're trusted. So if, let's say, you were trying to create a video and you wanted to share this affiliate link on your site, let me just show you what an affiliate link would look like real quick. So would look something like this, and this is Amazon's link shortener. So a lot of times it'll be, other people have these really long, ugly links, but Amazon has this shortener. But when you are an affiliate with Amazon and somebody clicks on your link, you may not make as much on it. I believe their commission rate at this point is about 4%, and it ranges anywhere to maybe up to 8, possibly 10. Really depends. They change that quite often. Now, obviously, 4%, even up to 6, 7, 8%, it's not that great, especially for other affiliate programs, which I'm going to show you in a sec. But the good thing is, like I said, Amazon is trusted. People are they tend to have a higher conversion rate, and not only that, when somebody, let's say somebody came from your video and they clicked from your affiliate link, let's say they continued shopping and they bought some other things and they put it in their shopping cart within the the last 24 hours, you get that commission for those other products as well. So that's really a good plus for Amazon. So some other examples of other types of affiliate programs that are out there is a site called ClickBank. Now this is mostly for digital type products. They have ebooks, they have courses, they have all types of different things, but it is mostly digital, and it is pretty popular. Another one that's pretty popular, and again is digital based, is a site called JVZoo. Now, that one's a little bit is also focused on digital products, but they have a lot of other types of like softwares and stuff like that. So if you're into that, JVZoo is a good option. Now, if you want to be more in the retail type of space, or stuff that's like branded, like I don't know, like Sears or something like that, or Zazzle, and you want to be affiliate, for, you know, connected to them as an affiliate, Share a Sale is a good site. Now, there's tons of these types of sites out there. I just wanted to give you a good idea that they're out there. You can just Google it and you can find these types of sites. They're relatively easy to sign up for. Each one, um, if you like a product or a particular brand that you want to be associated or affiliated with, as an affiliate, there's a short little application that they mostly make you fill out. Most of the time, it's not that hard to get in. So that's the first way that you can make money without relying on advertising. The second way is selling your own products. Now, selling your own product is really an ideal way, right? Because you'll get to keep 100% of the profits, right? And there's lots of videos online that will teach you how to sell your own products or create your own products. Now, the downside is, well, the plus side again is you get to keep 100% of the product and you have complete control of the product. Now, the downside is that you have to develop the product, right? You have to create that product. Most likely that means you'll have overhead, you'll have inventory, and you'll possibly have the need to have some employees. But now that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just some other things that you need to think about. Lots of people do it and they do it quite successfully. So again, the upside is potentially you can make a lot more money. So let's say, for example, that you created an online mini training course. Let's say, just for the sake of simplicity, $50 you're selling that, right? If you were trying to monetize that by the number of views, you'd need 1,000 views just to get a dollar. On the other hand, if let's say you got those 1,000 views, you would only need to convert 0.5% and you would still make $250. Now that's a huge difference, right? So you can see the upside and how much more money you can make by creating your own product. So those are two examples, two ways that you can make money on YouTube without ads. But there is something that's missing, right? And that's the need for traffic. Well, and that's probably the most important component when it comes to making money. Now, I showed you how you don't need a ton of conversions to make money on YouTube with that example, but what if I told you that there's actually a way that you can make 50% conversions? Now that would be a real game changer, right? So if you want to know more about how to get traffic from your videos and convert at a 50% rate, just opt into my free training below. It's for a 10-part training series that shows you how to make money with YouTube. And when you do that, you're going to get a short training each day that gives you the best tips and tricks. But the real good thing about it is that you get this free bonus. It's a free training course on how to rank videos #1 on Google from an underground basically a person who's discovered this great secret and is getting really great results. So you really want to get in on this. It's absolutely free. So just click on the link below. Remember, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Also hit the bell to get notified for my latest videos that as they get posted, and make sure you stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to go over how you can make money without subscribers. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.